right, here's one you're not going to see every day. 1985 Jeep CJ8 Scrambler. Beautiful looking vehicle in the bright yellow paint, black accents. The Scrambler was introduced in 1981 in the CJ8 lineup. Became very popular with that removable cab and the pickup box styling to it, and you just don't see these around much anymore. This particular vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder inline 4.2 liter. Not a lot of miles on it since it was rebuilt. This engine has been rebuilt. This is a steel body, original CJ8. Roll bar in the back. Like I said, that Scrambler pickup box styling to it, black wheel flares, rims, excellent tread on the good years it's riding on. Nice smooth running vehicle too. Get around to the other side, we'll fire it up. Check out the engine compartment, still retains the stock look. This vehicle does have AC power steering. This will be a fun one to drive. We'll be taken to car shows. It's definitely going to get some attention and turn some heads, no doubt about that. In everyday driving, this one will. Like I said, you just don't see those out there. Become quite popular. Check out the still pictures too. If you like to see the underside pictures, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. It's like a spray and light bed liner back here, matching the roll bars. Very solid vehicle. Was one little kind of dinger up in the hood I noticed. I'll show you that when I get around to the other side. Feel free to call us too if you got any questions, like to know about transportation, getting to this vehicle to where you're located at. 507-386-1726. See how straight it is, how nice the paint is too. It is a functional four-wheel drive. Locking front hubs. Here's that, if I can find it. There's one little dinger on the hood. Other than that, one little touch up here I noticed too. A little paint touch up. Very, very nice, respectable vehicle. So locking front hubs. You got 4-wheel high, 4 low. Pretty much want to crawl over anything. Like I said, this thing looked good on the street. Looked good off-roading. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Pretty standard stock interior, kind of an all-weather seat covers, no carpeting or anything like that. Again, similar to a Rhino liner or bed liner on the floors. Some rubber floor mats. This is a manual transmission, obviously. I'm going to hop up in here and start this up soon. Here it run, check it out. See how easily it starts. AC unit down there, full aftermarket stereo. Of course, the odometer. Retaining that stock mid-80s Jeep dash. Again, removable top, so where you see the white here, we'll remove. So basically got a convertible when you're all said and done there. With the pickup box. Very cool vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. I'm going to open the hood, prop it open so you can check out that engine bay. Alright. Got the engine propped open, so check out this engine bay. Here's your inline 6, 4.2. Power steering. Look how smooth that runs. Inline 6 is very toward the engine. That's why it was popular in the Jeeps and then even into the later years in Cherokees at the inline 6. Very good power plant. Once again, still pictures can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with shipping. 1985 Jeep CJ8 Scrambler. Beautiful vehicle. Give us a call.